Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Masi Sunguri here, and today I'm very excited because for those who have been watching my channel, they do know that I came to Nairobi like 2 weeks ago. And in my previous video, I told you that when I was coming here, I was welcomed by someone like snatching my phone, and I've been phoneless for about 2 weeks now. And yesterday, guess what? I went and get my brand new phone. So yeah, I'm so excited. I want to unbox it with you guys. I hope you'll enjoy this video because for me, I'm 1,000% excited. So so far so good. This is my fourth phone since I started using a smartphone. The first smartphone which I had was from my in-law. Like, my in-law gave it to me. The second phone, I bought it with my own money when I was in first year. The second, it got lost, so I had to replace with another phone, which now it was snatched when I was coming to Nairobi. And today, this is my fourth phone since I started using a smartphone. So I'm very excited. I hope you'll enjoy this video. This is a Redmi phone, and I'm so excited to unbox it. Like, I don't know how to explain, but you guys, I'm so excited. Excited. So yes, come on and unbox it with me. This is Redmi. I got it like yesterday. It was 12,500 Kenyan shillings. So yes, guys, as you can see, this phone has been unboxed, which it was unboxed yesterday when I went and bought it. The person or the seller there had to open it and do some factory settings, and I was given a receipt. Yeah, a receipt, so that if I'll have any problem, I'll go with this receipt to ensure, of course, that I bought it from that shop. So yes, these are the features. It is Redmi 15, a Redmi 15C, 8 RAM and 128 ROM, 6,000 milliampere, 33 watts, fast charger, 6.9-inch large display, 120 hertz. Yes, and it is, what's the color? The color is green, somehow greenish. Yes, and it is also a 50 AI dual camera system. So yes, this is my phone. Bluish. Is this bluish or greenish? I don't know. Somehow greenish in color. Yeah. So let us open it. I'm so excited. So as we are waiting for this, this is the pin. This is the pin to, yeah, this is its purpose. And then phone case, 33 watts adapter, and charger, cable charger. Yeah. Ta-da! So I've been phoneless for 2 good weeks now, and this is my SIM card. So I want to put it in now, right now, right now. So when my phone got stolen, I had to renew a new SIM card. So this is a new SIM card and a new phone, which I got it yesterday. Yesterday, like, it's not even 24 hours old. Yes. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'm too much excited. Ta-da! Yes, let me put my pen. This is how the phone looks like. This is the side of the camera. 50 what? 50, 50 what? 50 mph dual AI, the camera. So yes, I'm so excited. From today henceforth, get ready to receive content back to back of Nairobi City, specifically in Juja. So yes, you can suggest to me what kind of content you want me to create while I'm still here at Nairobi, so that we can both experience life here. Like, I'm so excited. So thank you all for watching this video. Let's meet in the next one. Bye bye.